In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to delete a repository inside of GitHub. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to github.com. Once you're inside of here, it should look something like this once you get inside of the account. Now from here, you'll need to find the specific repository that you want to delete. And to find it, you'll simply need to go up to this burger icon called Open Menu, and then from here you can go down to repositories right here. Once you click that, you'll see My Repositories, but if you click My Repositories down here, you'll see all of your repositories that you have ever created. Now from here, you can create a new one if you want to do that, but if you want to delete it, you'll simply need to click on a specific one that you want to delete. Click on it like so, and then from here, it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go up to the Settings tab up here in the menu. Once you get inside of the menu, you'll need to go over to the General and just scroll down until you see the Danger Zone. Once from here, you can see that you can change the repository visibility, you can disable branch protection rules, you can transfer ownership if you want to do that, archive, and down here you'll be able to delete this repository. Now if you click delete this repository, it should look something like this, where you need to click I want to delete this specific repository. From here you can see that what will happen if you don't read this, and you'll just need to click on it again. And from here, you'll simply need to click the specific repository name in the box below, and then click delete the repository. Down here, you can see your ready trigger. A trigger mail will be sent to email that you'll need to click to confirm the deletion. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!